Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Afrocare Princess. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I hope you do subscribe so you can be part of the family. That being said, I'm having black hair again. Oh my god, I'm enjoying black hair once more. What happened was I just woke up one day, I missed black hair, and then bam, I dyed my hair black again. Just so you might be wondering, it didn't leave my hair no damage or anything. My hair feels so soft, like baby soft, but I'm taking care of it, of course, so I didn't feel any consequence. I wish you could feel my hair right now. It's so soft and healthy, so no regrets with that. I had done that before anyway. I had dyed my hair red, brown in my first year of being natural, and I dyed it back black and it was fine. So that's why I had the confidence to do it again, and it's still fine. Okay, so moving on to the video, I just want to do something very quick, simple. So I'm gonna part my hair into two, just like that, and I put this section away. Okay, now working with the front section, I want like 4 braids, 2 on each side, so I'm gonna part my hair into 2 like that. I really need the comb that has the silver tip. You know, this thing is so blunt, like it never gives me a straight line. I put this section away for now. I separate that into 2 again. This summer I always like hairstyles that can permit me to put on my face caps, because as much as I love the sun, I don't really love it on my face. So I will be doing so many protective hairstyles this few months, so watch out for that in case you are like me. Okay, I have my hair looking like that. The part is not super straight, but it's fine. Now you need your gel, the gel with the strong hole. That's what I want today, and I saturate it at the tips. And you do some massaging. The good thing with gel is even if you cannot braid, it's going to camouflage the fact that you cannot braid and make it look so neat. Like me, I cannot boast that I can braid. Nope, I'm still learning. Okay, time to braid. If you cannot braid, maybe you can try flat twisting. If you cannot flat twist, maybe you can try tuck and roll. How did they call that thing? Tuck and roll, I think so. Just halfway, and you let it be just like that. So that's the same thing I'm gonna do now on this 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So I'll get back to you when I'm on the last one. Okay. Alright, so now I'm done doing the 4 sections, so I just want to now make it look like somehow neat. If you do not braid well, this is very important that you use your gel to lay down any flyaways, just like that. Like in front here where you have those very short hair, just lay down. Use your brush, but I think a toothbrush would be perfect for this step. And get in, and now you can do your baby hair as well. Just like carefully brush. You see why I say a toothbrush would be preferable, because you just need something small to slick down these edges, you know, just like that. Yeah, I think I'll just use my fingers. I just want to take out some baby hair. Do that very carefully. I'll just tie this down. At this particular step, I wanted to do it off camera, but I thought maybe it's gonna be of help to someone, or maybe when I come back you'll be wondering what happened. Like, these particular sections that I've been braiding, these ones have looser curls. Like I have some curl behind but not here, so I'm just gonna like do this to create some curves. I'm using my gel, by the way. You see those curves popping? Yeah, you see the difference between this one right here and this one? I know you see it. So this is what I'm gonna do to this first section. So it's been like 10 minutes now. Time is not on my side. I still feel it's kind of wet, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna unravel it right now. So if you see any whiteness, it's because it's not dry yet. I'll do my best to come back when it's totally dry to show to you that actually all the whiteness went away. So now I just need to fluff with my pick. The more hair behind the better, but shrinkage, you know, it always does its thing. Going with my rope and pull everything behind just like that. Yeah guys, so this is how the hairstyle is looking like I said, I would have loved it to have like more volume behind, but the hair is kind of damp right now, so I cannot get the volume that I want. But at night I'm gonna like rubber band it so that tomorrow morning I will have more volume and it's gonna be looking more cute. So that's it guys, and that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you think of the hairstyle. And I'll see you in my next video. Ciao. Okay, so it's like 4 hours later. I just want to show you how it turned out, like how the white residue disappeared. No more white residue. Okay, now you know. Bye.